Usually the fee that Amazon takes for every single sale that you make is 15% of the retail price. But did you know that there's a way to decrease it to as low as 8%? So this trick isn't available for every product, but it may work for yours. So this trick is available in the following marketplaces: the US, Canada, Mexico, the UK, France, Italy, and Spain. And applies to the following categories: beauty, baby, excludes baby apparel, health, and personal care products, includes personal care appliances. So if your product meets these requirements, all you have to do is list your product for $10 or under, and you will automatically get your 15% referral fee decreased to 8%. Grocery and gourmet products are included in this as well if you list them at or below $15. Okay, so let's go through an example, and I'm using the Amazon revenue calculator, by the way, which I will link below for you guys. So say you have a product in the beauty category and you have it listed for $10.49. You're paying a 15% referral fee of $1.57 on every single sale that you make. But if you decrease it by only 49 cents to make it $10, that referral fee is going to drop from 15% to 8%, making your referral fee only 80 cents per unit. Okay, now if you scroll down here, we're going to take a look at the bottom part here of the calculator. So you would enter in your costs of goods sold here. I just put in $2. I don't know how much it is to manufacture mascara, but anyway, it says that my net profit is $4.72 and my net margin is 47.24%. Now watch as I increase the price back up to $10.49. The net profit has decreased to $4.44 and the net margin 42.36%. So these little tweaks really add up. So 472 minus 444, it gives us a difference of, sure, it's only 28 cents per unit, but say you sell 1,000 units. That's an extra $280 into your pocket, or you can use it on PPC, or it's a little bit extra money to invest in higher quality packaging or something like that. And another point to take into consideration is you might actually get more sales because now you have a more attractive price point. $9.99 looks better than $10.49 to customers. So these little tweaks can make a big difference in the long run. Now, some things that you should know. So Amazon automatically applies this reduced referral fee to your sales, so you don't have to apply to a program or check a box in your settings or anything like that. This is available for FBA and FBM orders. Total prices refer to the total amount paid by the customer, which includes the item price and any shipping or gift wrapping options, and excludes applicable taxes. If you have your product listed over the price threshold and then you have a coupon running or a promotion or a deal, and then that brings the price below the threshold, yes, that does count and you get the 8% referral fee. You're able to confirm if your product is getting the lower fee by going to Menu, Inventory, Manage all inventory, locate your product, pull up the fee preview, and click on the referral fee. And it's going to say what percentage you are being charged. You can also download the Referral Fee Preview Report to view referral fees for all items in your catalog. To do that, go to Menu, Reports, Inventory Reports, select Report Type, click Referral Fee Preview Report, then click Request Report. Then you're going to click Download, and it's going to give you a TXT file, which you're then going to import into Google Sheets or Excel. So I'm using Google Sheets, which is free, so you're going to go File, Import, Upload, drag your file here to upload it. And I'm going to change the import location to replace data at selected cell. And then your data is going to import, and then there's a column here of the estimated referral fee per item. And I'm going to take it a step further by creating a percentage column. So this formula is going to tell us the fee percentage instead of the dollar amount. So type the equal sign and then click on the dollar amount divided by the price. Go up to the top and click the percentage button, and then you can drag this formula down so it gives you the percentage for all of your products. And there you go. Now you can see if you're being charged the 15 or the 8% referral fee for every product in your inventory. Thank you so much for watching. If you'd like to know how to get more Amazon reviews on your product, I recommend you watch this video next. And if you found this video helpful, please give it a like so it can spread to and help more people. And don't forget to subscribe for more Amazon videos from me, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!